Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is a vegetarian version of Keema Matar using soya. The detailed ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for this dish. You need soya. You can use the granules that you get in the supermarkets. Just soak them in hot water and then use it. I did not have the granules, so what I've done is I've boiled the nuggets in water and then drained them, squeezed out all the water, and then in the mixie I've just minced it lightly. In here I've got onion, ginger and garlic, which I've made a paste out of. I've got some chopped tomatoes. In the masalas I've got red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt to taste. Some whole spices, that's cumin, peppercorn, cinnamon, green cardamom and bay leaf, and also some cloves. I've got some frozen peas in here, some chopped coriander leaves and some Kasoori methi. We'll also need some oil to cook this dish in. So let's start making the dish. I have a kadai on medium heat and I've poured some oil into it, and the oil is nice and hot. Now I'll add in the whole spices. We'll allow the cumin to splutter and then add in the onion, ginger and garlic paste. Now we'll cook this till it's light golden brown. The onions have become golden brown. I'm adding in the tomatoes. Mix well. I'm also adding a little bit of hot water to glaze the pan. And all the spice powders except for the garam masala. We'll mix and allow this to cook until the oil separates. So once the masala was cooked, I've added in the soya mince. Now we're going to fry this mince with the masalas for a few minutes. The soya is fried well. Now we'll add 1 cup of hot water. Mix everything together. Let's add in Kasoori methi. And we'll let this cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. So the mixture is cooked for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll add in the green peas. I've used frozen green peas here. You could also use fresh peas, in which case you'll have to boil them before. We'll let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding a pinch of sugar and coriander leaves. And we'll also add in the garam masala. Saute everything well. Switch off the gas and the keema is ready. So the curry is ready. This goes really well with roti, chapati or naan. So if you're a vegetarian, this is a really nice option for you to have with your roti. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.